In these videos, we're going to see how to use Plickers, which is a free website and educational tool. It is very easy to use and it uses some technology, but it doesn't actually need internet connection to work. It doesn't need internet connection to work fully, but you can still use it even if you don't have an internet connection, or basically even when your students don't have a mobile device in the classroom. The first thing you need to do is to register with Plickers. It's very easy and it's free sign up. So once you have registered and you are logged in, you have to go to classes. I have some classes already, but even if you don't have, you have to add new class. You give it a class name, so it's going to be, for example, sample classroom, sample class. You select if you want the year, there's no need, and you select if you want a subject. And it's useful to choose a color to differentiate it from the rest of classes. Okay, so you save it. And then you start typing your students' names. Each student is going to be associated with one card. So if I were you, I would do it alphabetically with the same in the same order as they are in the usual classroom register. Because this is just a sample class, I'm just going to start typing names. As you can see, it automatically gives students the card number. Something else you could do was to add the roster and, for example, copy and paste. If you already have in digital format your students' names, you could just copy and paste here. If there's any mistake, you can edit your students' names. For example, I only wrote the first name, but I could write last name, for example, if I wanted here. So you can always edit that. But it is very important that if you want to use Plickers associating students' names and cards, you should do this. Otherwise, you can use Plickers anonymously, and that would be totally fine. But if you're going to use it with your own students and they're going to be always the same, my recommendation is for you to write your students' names. You can create up to 63 students, so you have lots of room there.